So this is how you can change Siri's name to anything on the new iPhone iOS 18 update. Let's go ahead and open up the settings app, and then you're gonna want to tap on search. Now, search for vocal, and once we're here, tap on vocal shortcuts. It's going to take you here where you can set up vocal shortcuts, so you're gonna want to tap on that. Now, tap on continue, and then search for Siri. Simply tap on Siri, and then write the new name that you want your Siri to be. So let's say I want to name my Siri Alexa. I'd have to type in Hey Alexa. So whenever I say Hey Alexa, Siri is going to pop up. It can be any kind of phrase, it can be any kind of name. So for example, Hi Alexa or What's up Alexa, Siri will pop up. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to tap on go, and then it's going to ask you to say it 3 times. So I'm going to say it right now. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. Hey Alexa. There you go. It says action is ready. iPhone will listen for Hey Alexa and perform action Siri. Tap on continue, and then just try it out. So I'm going to try it out right now. Hey Alexa. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.